The biggest hurdle that you must overcome when you first get started on YouTube. Hi there, my name's Andrew Plimmer from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm coming to you from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm passionate about affiliate marketing. I'm passionate about helping others get started. That's what it's all about. I love to see people succeed. If you want to get more videos from me or see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates. So what I think the biggest hurdle is when it comes to YouTube or setting up your YouTube channel and getting it going is getting started. I mean, you don't expect to get many views, many subscribers for maybe 2, 3, 4 months. It depends on how many videos you're uploading on a daily or weekly basis, monthly basis. You know, the stats are pretty simple. I heard the other day, this is average, that if you have 150 videos, you'll have between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers. That's just the way it is. So you can't expect to get a lot of traction, a lot of new subscribers, a lot of people viewing your videos until you've got a number of videos up there, and that's how YouTube works. So that's the biggest thing, and that's the hardest thing for people to overcome. And I think that's why people quit when it comes to YouTube, because they load up a couple of videos or a few videos and they think, oh, nobody's watching my videos, and consequently they give up or they lose enthusiasm. So, but the good thing about it is you know, like I said before, if you've got 150 videos up there, on average you'll have between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers. So, you know, get 150 videos up there. Obviously, you know, you can't just throw them up and sort of be willy-nilly about it, and they've got to be on topic and all the rest of it. But, you know, if you're consistent, you'll get the videos up there. I deleted my old YouTube channel. In some ways, I sort of regret doing that because there was sort of 300 or 400 videos there. But at the time, I thought it was a good idea. And the only reason I sort of regret it is because you know, that's how I got started, if you like. So, but I wanted to start again to demonstrate how to start a YouTube channel from scratch. I'm by no means a guru, professional, a YouTuber. I'm like most people who are starting out. I'm just getting started, and I, you know, had a huge fear of shooting videos, but I'm getting over that, and my videos are slowly but surely getting better, just because I take a lot of video. I produce a lot of videos now, and I try and do a video a day, and consequently, I'm hoping anyway that my videos are getting better. I hope they provide better value as I become more experienced and get better at it. And but I'm encouraged by the fact that you know, if I get 150 videos on my YouTube channel on topic, yes, that I'll have between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers. So that's something for me to work towards, and that's a great sort of statistic to know, because that should encourage a lot of people, or most people, just to keep on going, because they realise that the numbers, the statistics. So yeah, keep on going, don't give up. That's why most people fail in all walks of life. So you know, that's the way it is. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Click on the bell icon. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go down into the description and go to andrewplimmer.com. This really is an awesome affiliate marketing program. It's the best I've ever come across. It's a fantastic community. It just doesn't teach you the basics. It goes right through to the advanced stuff. Tons and tons of content. Really, really good quality stuff. And if you follow the step-by-step guides, and if you're coachable, you can't help but get some sort of success in affiliate marketing. And yeah, so drop down below. There's no obligation to go any further. You can always unsubscribe from the email list. We're not about spamming people or annoying people, but we love to help people get started in affiliate marketing and creating an online business. So I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Over and out. Bye now.